Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Anusha and I'm from Bhutan, but those of you who know me, you know that I live and work in Dubai. I thought that today I'm just going to show you or give you a tour of the apartment that we're staying here in Bhutan. Not we, but my mom, my sister and brother, three of them lives here in Thimphu, which is the capital city here in Bhutan. And so we are a very small middle class family. My sister is here in Thimphu as well, living together with my brother and my mom, and my brother works here in Thimphu, and my mom, she also lives here together with my brother. So I thought that I will give you just a quick room tour, or not a room tour but like a house tour. Also, before I start, we are renting this apartment and this apartment is not our own. I'm going to go out and show you how actually the building looks like. I'm not sure if I'm going to show you the entire building or like the structure or how the building looks like from outside, but let me continue from the stairs so that you can know how this apartment looks like or this building looks like from outside, because currently it is still under construction and this building isn't fully constructed. So I think my mom was like first tenant to move into this apartment. So yeah, let's go and start and let's continue. So this is actually the entrance. As you can see it, there are some construction still going on. It has not been completed yet. We moved to this apartment I think like 2 months ago. It is still not complete, the ground floor especially. When you enter, I'm not going to show you the building from outside, but let me just show you how it actually looks like. I think here are the construction workers staying here, and the stairs starts from here. Especially in Dubai or any other countries, when you have, let's say, 5-story or 4-story apartment, you usually have an elevator. But here, you don't have any lift or elevator, you have to walk. And that's the thing about Bhutan. Even if you happen to live in attic or anywhere else, you will have to walk and go to your apartment. There's another construction going on here, and honestly, we get a lot of disturbances from here. This is the apartment, and as you can see, there are no numbers, nothing here. Ring the bell. Hi.
Hi, do I know you?
Yes, I'm your sister.
Oh, okay. Do you want to come in?
Yes.
Do you want me to give you a quick home tour?
Yes.
Welcome to our abode, our home. Sharma's home.
My sister Anjana is going to give you a quick room tour. It will not be like a quick, but
Okay, before that, disclaimer. House is not in the best condition right now because we are in the process of packing for our trip. So spare that. Apart from that, everything is okay. So come, I'll show you.
And also before we start, I want to tell you this apartment is a rented apartment, and we pay 17,000 niltra monthly, which is equivalent to 17,000 rupees monthly, and it comes with 3 bedroom and 2 toilet and 3 balcony. So the place that we're staying here is called as Babisa. So it is like the main highway point, so it's just above highway. As a result, it is expensive here, and also the housing in Thimphu is always expensive. I've never heard anyone saying that the housing is cheap, and I guess that's same everywhere, not just in Thimphu. I know for a fact in Dubai, in Mumbai, in Delhi, in Russia, everywhere the housing is so expensive and so difficult to get it. But this place, like I told you before we moved in, it was under construction. So
this is our main entrance. So when you come in from here, you get this big
living room
space. So we have this huge heater out here because Thimphu is always cold, even at this time of the month. But after like maybe 10 days or so, that like weather will start to get better, warmer. But for now, it's still cold. So we use this heater, and over there
we have a very huge like a couch here, and here is the. And also, I got some dates from Dubai, just like the basic suites from Dubai. And basically, the living room only has the huge couch, and this side we have this showcase. I don't know what we exactly say this, but usually in Bhutanese household, you will see almost every one of them keeping this, and they like to show off their unique items. We don't have any unique item as such, but yeah, we just keep our basic cups and the plates. I can see a breezer there and some glasses, and that's basically it. And I think there's some Anjana's photo and Anjana and my photo here. And this side we have a television. At the moment we only have a small television. We really want to get a bigger one, but
no one really uses
television except for mom.
Yeah.
So we don't really need it, but mom watches it, so that's the reason we have it here. And my mom also has some nice collection of plants. She is obsessed with plants, so she really likes to take care of it. And here's the photo of me and my mom in India, Chandigarh, and my sister and mom, and again her plants.
Over there we have so many other plants. These are my mommy's babies. So many plants. Another plant. First balcony. We still have 2 other balconies.
So this is the first balcony here.
You can get a
And
beautiful view of Pakistan.
I really like this balcony because it is huge and it actually looks like another room. It doesn't really look like a balcony because usually in Thimphu the balcony are open, like the one that you can see there. Like at the corner, it is closed. I mean, not closed, it is open, but ours it is
And
closed.
the finishing is of wooden.
Yeah, it is wooden, so it really looks good. And this is the view from the first balcony. I think there are lots of constructions going on. I think they are going to construct some building there. I'm sure in next 5 years, this place will be full of buildings. And if you have noticed, all the buildings are of 5 stories.
Our country is
Prone to
risky
earthquake.
zone, prone to natural disaster and especially earthquake.
So we are allowed only to build 5 stories,
Except for few 1 or 2 structures.
which are hotels. And this is the first room. What?
My room is a little bit messy.
It's okay. And this is Anjana's room. As you can see, it's not a little bit messy, but quite messy.
Because I can explain about this situation.
Okay.
So recently there was a fire outbreak
Mm-hmm.
in one of the most important areas in Thimphu, and so many families, their places had been displaced. They have no clothes or shelter or books and stuffs like that. So I was sorting out my clothes because I have so many things. So I thought I could like help them a bit, and I was sorting out clothes for donations.
So these are all her clothes for donation. Some of them have never
For
been
fire
used.
victims.
Some has been used once or twice.
Yeah.
But this is basically her room. She has this bed here. I know it's not in the perfect setting. And
Explains under the clothes.
now
by
if somebody comes in and they have to sit there, they have to jump from this bed and go there and sit.
But no one really comes into my room. It's only me, myself, and I.
But I don't know why the reason
And-
it is there,
okay,
but
and these are-
anyways. And this is her makeup table,
I also
balcony.
have another balcony, and this is where we keep our clothes, where we hang. So we basically have our washing. We do laundry here, so we have our washing machine here, clothesline to hang the clothes.
And there's a construction happening here in front. Like I told you, in Thimphu especially, you'll see a lot of construction happening everywhere
Everyone's going to Australia
and earning in dollars and coming
and
back.
coming here and constructing buildings.
Yeah, so this is a huge disturbances for us right now because every single day and night you'll only hear the construction noise. So this is Anjana's room. It is small room, but I think this is perfect for one person. Does need a thorough cleaning and arrangement, but and this is the toilet here, the first toilet. I'm not going to show you thoroughly, but let me just show you. And like I told you, the construction is happening in that side, so the people can see you directly while doing your business. Not really. And there's a shower here. We have a lot of bucket because you can never tell when the water will go off. And we have a corner here for the shoes, like a small corner. We just keep shoes. And then we have a kitchen here.
What's up, Home Minister?
This is the rice cooker. Rice cooker is very essential here because we eat a lot of rice. Our diet is just rice. But you can see that my mom has used this rice cooker as some of her storage. Water here, and this is a spice rack. And we have the stove here, and we have this very important thing, a geyser. Without this, your hand is going to freeze and the water will be so cold. So basically this heats up the water and then you use it here. And this side we have the boiler, and this is the induction. Although we have the gas cylinder, but we use this a lot. And here's the refrigerator, and I don't know what are all these things. There are some of the fridge magnets which I bought from some of the countries that I've traveled to.
Mommy's room.
So this is my mom's room, and as soon as you enter, there is a toilet here. And this is my mom's room. It is a huge room. You can see it's empty here. And she has a mirror right next to her bed.
Because she likes to see herself and appreciate every early morning.
How will she see herself from this side?
She wakes up like this, and then she's like, okay, I look good.
So this is her bed. We actually got it just recently. I'm sure you must have seen the vlog where we went and purchased, and basically we made the bed. And here are some of the
Donation stuff.
donation stuff that we have kept here.
Another.
And my mom's table here with just her bags. And these are our wardrobe. And that's my brother's Go, which is a national dress of Bhutan for men.
The last balcony.
This is the largest, but so these are just some random stuff which we have kept here, but we are going to arrange this soon.
Some more flowers.
And yes, so my mom has a lot of flowers here. This is largest, but I think in the size It is
it's
not.
smaller, but like the longest.
Yeah, but the longest one. And this, guys, this one is a Bhutanese national cloth for men. She has just hung it here. The third and the last bedroom.
So this is the last bedroom, and this is where my brother sleeps.
To enter inside, we have a mandir, and this is my bag. We are actually packing. And this side are all the blankets. These are my clothes, and down are all the blanket.
And okay, so here are some sofa, some more mattresses, blanket, and the bed.
And the bed where I sleep at the moment, and my brother, he sleeps outside. And we also have another mattress. Like, this was the mattress my mom was using before we got her the new bed. This is basically it. It is also huge. Like, you can see there is still a lot of space in here, but we are not going to do anything with it. And this is the last and my brother's room, but we don't have any balcony with it.
But this room receives the most sunlight.
So guys, that was our apartment tour. And I also want to put a disclaimer that, like I told you before itself, this is not our own apartment. We are renting it out. And I know that not all the houses in Thimphu or in Bhutan are the same. And this is not a traditional house that you will see in some part of Bhutan, but this is Thimphu, and this is how most of the people, the one, especially the one who works here in Thimphu, lives. This is a normal house. We are a middle class family and we don't have money and we don't own our own house, so we are renting it here. And this is a very simple apartment, guys. If you go towards eastern side and other parts of Bhutan, you will definitely see different kind of building and house and apartments, but this is in Thimphu. Housing will be different for every individual, for every different family, but this is how we live here. There are only 3 people currently living here in this apartment: my mom, my brother, and my sister. Since you guys know that I live in Dubai, I work there, so this is where they are currently residing, but this is not like our permanent home. So we might relocate again, but for now, this is our home tour, a simple house tour. And thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next vlog.